Welcome guys into this brand new vlog. This is Amber Bano and I welcome you all back to my channel. This video is all about the unboxing of a hand-free and a phone stand. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to go to my playlist and watch my videos on my vlogs. And don't forget to down below is the button and a bell icon so that you won't miss my upcoming videos, as simple as that. So without any delay, just let's go and start our unboxing. So yeah, we have our Handsfrees, Midco Handsfrees here. I have ordered them long time ago and now they're finally here. And number second thing is this phone stand, which is my most favorite. You can see it, I think, oh sorry, from here. I hope you can see it. It looks like this, and it's going to be helpful for me for watching videos and holding my phone, because I used to throw my phones many times on the floor. It just slips away from my hand. And other thing that we can do is keep my phone at one side, and for any video making purpose it can be used for any multi-purpose. So now without any delay, let's unbox this, guys. I'm a little bit confused. First of all, we will open this one. This is Midco Handsfree, and specifications are: it has got 3.5 mm jack and cord length of 44 inches, which is very good. Okay, whoever likes Handsfree, let's open this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whoever is too lazy to be, I know it is the generation of AirPods, but you know, the lazy people like me used to carry Handsfree with them. I just don't want to charge everything around me and buy more things to charge. That's why I'm interested in Handsfrees. I think you are too, that's why you're watching it. Let's open it, guys. Dekhi how beautiful they look like, white in color. And there you go. Let's keep things aside. They are very nice. They looks like unwiring it. Okay, it will open from here. Nice, really nice. My god, it has different kind of wires from other sides, like it's zip from here. They are zipper Handsfrees. Okay, like unzip, zip, and from down here they look like, phone cord. Their type of wire change from here. I don't think they have mic, but I will check it and show it to you, either they have it or not. Okay, here is your cord, your 3.5 mm jack you can use, and their earpieces. Okay, Handsfrees are also very small and quite easy to hold in your ears. Now let's open it, and I will connect in my phone and will show you how their sound looks like. Okay guys, now I'm going to test the sound. Let's first connect the Handsfree. Let's play the sound first, so without any Handsfrees. Okay, what the hell is this? Stop it. Good. Let's full the volume. You can hear the sound from outside as well. Now I'm going to put it into my ears. Oh wow, amazing, amazing sound. Quite noise cancellation effect they are giving. I couldn't hear other sounds outside this song. And by the way, the song is beautiful. Okay, now let's move towards. I hope you like it and buy it for yourself. We will try it and keep it as on your use. I just love them, and I will use them for my on the go journey very soon. Okay, so let's move towards the next product. Come on, let's go. The next one here is our universal phone stand. It's written over here, Mercury Innovations Universal Magnetic Phone Stand. Okay, it's a long spelling, literally. Now let's open it from here. Okay, it looks so beautiful from outside, and here it is, our cute little phone stand. How it will come outside? Come outside. Out. Here you go. Wow, it looks so small. I'm just trying to figure it out. All right. So it will open from here. Now, for example, let's chuck it on the phone. That how it's going to attach or magnetically attach on my phone. I think I don't know how to do it. Oh, now now I got to know what to do with it. There you can see this sticker part. You have to first remove it. My god, it's not happening. How can I do this with it? Do it like this. Okay, just let me know what it's looked like. I will let you know in a second. Oh nice, so they are like sticker. Okay, I just a few seconds ago I removed the whole sticker, so it was horrible. Now you can see this sticker type of thing. I will remove it. I hope you can see it. I'm trying my best. Okay, removing it. Okay, and then we'll apply it on the phone from any side. I'm not applying on this phone because this phone is not mine. That's why I will put back this sticker. Now you can see it. So in this way you will able to hold the phone quite easily with your 3 fingers or 2 fingers. Okay, and with this part, this magnetic part, I don't know where this magnetic part, it's sticking somewhere. Yeah, look at this. Okay, now you can see here the speaker side has some magnet, so you can hold it somewhere. There's magnetic thing as well to keep your phone like this, watching any movies and your favorite videos or whatever, your favorite series. Okay guys, so it's very handy and quite simple and very lightweight. You can use it in your daily usual, or what to say, daily basis with your phone according to your phone size. And it doesn't matter what your phone size is, you can use it on any phone. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content, and if you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos and check out the other videos on my channel. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz guys. Allah Hafiz.